We are going to review top 5 best makeup sets for kids. Let's get started. List number 1. Fox Print My First Princess Makeup Kit. My First Princess Makeup Kit from Fox Print has all the desired gifts for the princess in your life. The toy makeup set comes with a kit that includes a brush trio, glitter lip gloss, 2 regular lip gloss, 2 lipsticks, eyeshadow, 2 bottles of nail polish, eyebrow pencil, 3 brushes, and a designer princess cosmetic bag. Non-toxic and safe to use by kids. Can be easily washed by water. Boosts creativity in kids. The perfect toy makeup set. The little princess in your life would be delighted with this complete toy makeup set. Kit includes blush trio, princess glitter lip gloss and 2 additional lip gloss, 2 lipstick, eyeshadow, 2 nail polish, eyebrow pencil, 3 brushes. List number 2. Dokiya Kids Makeup Kit for Girls with Cosmetic Bag. Unicorns may be fictitious, but children just love them. If your little girl also adores the mystical animal, get her the Dokiya Kids Makeup Kit, which is unicorn themed and designed to appeal to little girls. Convenient to carry. Safety tested, non-toxic. Water-based and soft on the kid's skin. Washable. This is a real kids makeup kit, designed for little girls to dress up, encouraging imagination and creative play. This girl's makeup kit is washable, safety tested, non-toxic, water-based material and soft to skin. The cosmetics set attached a lovely portable bag, easy to refine the makeup in any occasion. List number 3. Dokiya Kids Makeup Kit for Girl. Dokiya Kids Makeup Kit for Girls is designed for little girls who want to look fabulous at parties and every occasion. The kit encourages imagination and creative play. Real makeup that is suitable for kids and can be carried anywhere. Water-based materials for the child's delicate skin. Non-toxic. Does not leave stains on furniture, etc. Comes with a bag to carry the makeup everywhere. This play makeup set is washable, safety tested, non-toxic, water-based material and soft to skin. And it also passed the ICTY and GMPC certificate for toys and makeup. For mommy, it can satisfy kids' curiosity, who love to play with your makeup and improve their practical ability. Perfect gift for your sweetie princess. List number 4. House Ideas Kids Makeup Kit for Girls with Cosmetic Bag. This gift set has all the things to encourage your little princess to learn the art of good makeup early on. The set includes 2 glitter lip glosses, 2 bottles of nail polish, an eyeshadow palette, 2 lipsticks, 2 brushes, 1 applicator, and 1 cosmetic bag. Non-toxic. Easy to wash. Paraben-free and can be used for sensitive skin too. The little cosmetics for girls does not harm to skin, can be easily cleaned away by warm water. Put a makeup on your kids for Halloween, costume party and so on. You won't believe how amazing this makeup looks. And how happy your princess are with this kids makeup set. With the princess makeup, mother can teach them the makeup. List number 5. Toysicle Kids Makeup Kit for Girl with Makeup Remover. The Toysicle Kids Makeup Kit is for children in the age group of 3 to 6. It includes 4 shades of blush, 6 shades of eyeshadow powder, 1 nail polish, a lipstick, 2 brushes, 2 glittery lip glosses, 3 eyeshadow sticks, 1 nail filer and a fake nail set, 1 toe separator, a bonus makeup remover and a pink bag to carry them all. Contains makeup accessories for all occasions. Remains light on the kid's skin. Toxin free. Can be washed easily. Toysicle makeup for kids is washable plus includes a bonus makeup remover tube that will do a great job. We recommend being used under parental supervision.